Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. For our morning work today, we're on Unit 5, Week 5, Day 2. Directions say edit, write each sentence correctly, write the correct contraction for the words in parentheses. Remember that a contraction is when we take two words and we put them together. When we squeeze them together, some letters pop out and we replace those letters with an apostrophe. For example, are plus not equals. So we're going to retain the first part of this contraction, which is are, and we're going to put it together with not. Well, what happens is when you combine not with another word, we get rid of this O and we replace it with an apostrophe. The O pops out, we replace it with an apostrophe, and then we still write the T. So we go from are not to aren't. Or another example would be you plus will. Okay, so we're going to retain you, and then for will, the W and the I are actually going to pop out this time, and then we're going to keep the LL. So the W and the I are gone, we replace it with an apostrophe, and we keep the LL. Alright, so let's see. I did not know whose fault it was. Fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Don't forget to make a contraction for the words did plus not. Number 2, we will soon walk and talk together. Same thing, fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Combine we plus will for a contraction. Pause your video, do number 1 and number 2. Daily math review, you know what to do there. Pause your video, do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Number 6, decomposing a number leading to a 10. So we're taking this 15, and we know we've got to take away 6, but we can start by taking away the 5 ones here. Okay, so we'll take away the 5 ones, so we're breaking apart 6 into 5 and 1, which I think is just silly, but it's what we're doing on this problem. Okay, so we're going to take away these 5 ones, and so now we have 10. And so we have 10, and we still have to take away this one here because we already took away these 5. So now we take away this one here, and it's going to give us our answer there. Pause your video and do number 6. For number 7, we're going to add 296 plus 436. The first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to rewrite this problem, because they're already telling you there's regrouping. So if you're going to regroup, you're going to want to write it like that. So pause your video and do number 7. Number 8, draw a quadrilateral shape. Let me tell you that a quadrilateral is any shape with 4 sides that are touching. Okay, so number 8, go ahead and do that one. Number 9, circle the rectangles that show 2/3 shaded black. So that means 2 out of 3 of the parts are shaded black if you cut it into 3 equal parts. So go ahead and do number 9. And we'll start checking from the top. I did not know whose fault it was. So did not becomes didn't. This is the wrong no. We want no like we know it in our head, which is going to be K, maybe. K-N-O-W. Oops. Let's see. Whose fault is F-A-U-L-T. It was period. Okay, that looks good. We'll rewrite it nicely neat on the line. Okay, number 1's looking good. Number 2, we plus will equals wheel. W-E apostrophe L-L. We'll soon walk and talk together. Are all spelled incorrectly. So walk, W-A-L-K, talk, T-A-L-K, together, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. We're going to pause our video, or I'm going to rewrite mine nice and neat on the line. Alright, number 2 looks good, and so we did our contractions, so we're all done. Daily math review. Alright, here we go. 11 minus 6, 5. 14 minus 6 is 8. 9 minus 6 is 3. 15 minus 6 is 9, and 16 minus 6 is 10. We talked about how to do this one, so our final answer is 9. This one, let's see, 6 and 6 is 12. Regroup the 10. 9 and 4 is 13, so we group the 100, and then write the 3 right here, and then 2, 4, and 1 is 732. Number 8, quadrilateral shapes. So you could have drawn a square. You could have drawn a rectangle. You could have drawn a, what is this, a trapezoid. Anything with 4 sides that are touching with 4 angles. Circle the rectangles that show 2/3 shaded black. So that's going to be this guy, right? Because we could cut it into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3, and 2 of the 3 are shaded. And also this guy, same thing, we could cut it into 3 parts, and 2 of the 3 are shaded. And we are all done with our morning work. Good luck on your next assignment.